Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of a stock market. Today first we'll discuss the RBI MPC meeting outcome, and then we'll discuss the Nifty 50 Nifty bank level for the next week. And as usual, I got the stock which has posted good Q3 result. I will analyze the Q3 results also, and I will discuss the fundamental and buying level for this stock. So find out the name of that stock, stay connected till the end, and smash the like button now. So let's start with the RBI's MPC meeting, means RBI Monetary Policy Meeting 2023 held on Wednesday, and the outcome was the expected. It was expected. The outcome was RBI hiked the rate by 25 BPS, means this market already factored in. So RBI, it was expected, so RBI rate hike of 25 bps considered appropriate at the current level. So, and number 2, for financial year 23, CPI inflation forecast cut to 6.5%, means earlier it was 6.7% था in inflation, और इसको थोड़ा कम किया गया है. Now it has become 6.5%. And number 3, for financial year 24, CPI inflation seen at 5.3%. 23 के लिए तो 6.5% है, बट फॉर FY24 के लिए CPI inflation expected है at 5.3%. So this was important main highlight of the RBI MPC meeting, which I have discussed. Now we'll discuss the Nifty 50 level. So now we have come to the Nifty 50 chart. Nifty 50 is trading at 17,850, near about 17,850. This level was given in my last video also. The same resistance Nifty 50 is respecting the 17,850. Even I will give the link of that video in I button. You can check the level. The same level, the resistance was 17,850, or it is still hovering in this level. And whole week this was taking this 17,850 to 900 somewhere. It was taking this resistance 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, और यहाँ पे तो फिर ये यहीं पे ही खड़ा रहा लास्ट फ्राइडे, तो इसी इसी जगह पे इट वाज standing here only. So, and ऊपर this level is actually not broken. Now नीचे के लेवल पे it was actually 17,500 का, it has actually taken the support from here it went up, it went here 17,850 to 900, but again came, it was actually hovering here only. So on Friday, the 17,800 was low, and the resistance was same. So what can be the Nifty 50 trading area for the next week? It can trade between 17,500 to 17,500 to first it should break actually this 17,850 level, then it will go to 18,000 level, but first let it break. So I will take this range 17,500 to 18,000 level for the Nifty 50 for the next week. So now we have come to the Nifty bank chart. Now we'll discuss the Nifty bank level. So Nifty bank is trading at 41,550 somewhere. Yes, 41,560, and it is also hovering this place. This is 41,700 is a resistance. 41,700 is resistance, means current resistance for Nifty bank, and it is taking even more than week. It is taking this resistance 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, even more than week it is taking resistance and not going above 41,700. If it will break 41,700, then it will go to 42,000, but let's see for this next week. एंड नीचे के लेवल पे, यस नीचे के लेवल पे भी एक सपोर्ट ले रहा है यहाँ 41,200 के आसपास. यस, it is taking a small support here 41,200, but it's not very strong support. If it will break it, it will definitely go to 40,000. So 40,000 can be a strong support for the निफ्टी, ये जो कि 200 EMA भी है. तो 41,000 40 yes 40,000 can be a strong support for Nifty Bank. और I should say it's not looking very, actually not looking very strong, because of the main reason जो अदानी का सीन चल रहा है, अदानी का जो केस वगैरह ये सब चल रहा है, this is not allowing market to move up. So every day some news come and market will react on it. तो यही होता है कि अदानी की वजह से थोड़ा मार्केट में एक सेंसिटिविटी सी चल रही है. सो लेट्स सी इन नेक्स्ट वीक व्हाट हैपेंस, बट स्टिल दिस रेजिस्टेंस इज strong 41,700. So what can be the trading area for the Nifty Bank? So Nifty Bank can trade from 40,000 to 42,000 for the next week. So now we have come to the stock which is from railway sector. Yes, this is stock from railway sector, and the sector leader also. This stock is sector leader, and this is, yes, IRCTC. So IRCTC का मेन जो सेगमेंट ऑफ बिजनेस है, दैट इज कैटरिंग. यस, बट ये उसके अलावा भी कई कई छोटे छोटे सेगमेंट्स में काम करता है. And this is the PSU, yes, which I prefer little. I don't actually prefer it. Sometimes PSU stocks. I will tell you the reason, because of the government controlling power on that. So क्या होता है, these companies are very less intended to make profit, to generate profit. So इस वजह से इनका थोड़ा सा प्रॉफिट में इम्बैलेंस होता है, एंड द गवर्नमेंट ऑलवेज keep controlling or trying to sometime control, because according to their shareholding. So इस वजह से I avoid little bit the PSU stock, but this stock is very very good fundamentally also. और इनके जो फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट्स हैं, जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं कि रेलवेज कभी नहीं ख़त्म होने वाली. एज इंडिया का ये एक मेन स्ट्रीम ट्रैवलिंग एक वो है, कन्वेंस है, जो कि कभी इंडिया में ख़त्म नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज ऑफ आवर पॉपुलेशन एंड द मतलब मेन पॉपुलेशन, मैक्सिमम पॉपुलेशन इज यूजिंग द railways only. So this is the main reason why IRCTC is the best stock to buy. बट लास्ट कुछ दिनों में जो गवर्नमेंट का इसमें जो चल रहा है इंटरफेरेंस, मीन्स OFS आया, फिर कभी वो कहते हैं कि दे विल शेयर द प्रॉफिट इन द जो कैटरिंग के बिजनेस में कुछ उनका शेयर होगा. ऑल दैट कीप हैपनिंग इन दिस स्टॉक. सो उसकी वजह से ये स्टॉक बेचारा बहुत ही एक लाचार वाली स्थिति में रहता है. सो इस वजह से थोड़ी सी इसकी उतनी डिमांड थोड़ी सी कम हो गई है. सो बट नॉट दैट इज द रीज़न. एक्चुअली यू कैन एक्यूमुलेट इट फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म, और एक इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पज से दिस स्टॉक इज वेरी गुड. इफ this completely your decision. If you feel like this, the result is very good, I will discuss the fundamental also. So let me discuss first Q3 results. The net profit IRCT का जो स्टैंड अलोन है, नेट प्रॉफिट इज अप बाय 22.3%. yes, 22.3% at 255.5 crore. means earlier in the same year, in same quarter, means last year 2021, 2021, it was 208 crore, 208.8 crore y on y last year, which is this year 255.5 crore. Revenue up by 69.9%, मीन्स अगर हम राउंड फिगर लें तो 70%. Revenue is 70% up at rupees 918.1 crore, means 918 crore, versus last year it was 540.2 crore. Y on Y means Y on Y last year it was 540.2 करोड़ था, जो कि अभी बढ़ के लगभग, इसको मैं ट्वाइस कहूंगी, 918 करोड़ हो गया है. इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड साइन. EBITDA up by 16.7% at 325.8 crore versus 279 crore Y on Y the same quarter for the last year. सो वाई ऑन वाई बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट है इनके प्रॉफिट में भी और रेवेन्यू में भी और उसमें भी एबिटा में भी. मार्जिन में थोड़ा सा डेंट है. द मार्जिन इज डाउन बाय 35.5% वर्सेस लास्ट ईयर वाई ऑन वाई इट वाज 51.7%. थोड़ा सा इनका डेंट हुआ है, नीचे गिरा है मार्जिन, 35.5% हुआ है, बट ओवरऑल रिजल्ट इज ओके. So this is the fundamental, and yes, the board approves the interim dividend. Please, you can, if you want, you can note down that board approves interim dividend of 3.50%, means 3.5 rupees per share. The interim dividend of 3.5 per share. So this is actually, this was result was good. And now I will discuss the fundamental. So now I will discuss the fundamental. This is actually, as I told you, this sector leader. The market cap is 51,532 crore. You can check the fundamental here. The market cap is 51,532 crore. Stock P is 54.7, 54.7, which is actually exactly reasonable valued. It was trading at more than 100 P, जो कि उस समय लोग इतना बोल रहे थे इसको कि इट वाज एक्चुअली हाई वैल्यूड स्टॉक, हाई वैल्यूड स्टॉक, बट ये गिर गिर के 54.7 पे पहुंच गया है. अभी ये बहुत ही अच्छे वैल्यूएशन पे मिल रहा है. एंड ROC, just you check the fundamental. ROC is 51.3%, which is very good. ROE, return on equity, is 40, almost 40%, जो कि मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. 40%. Dividend yield is also okay, fine. It's almost debt to equity 0.08, means almost debt free company. Operating profit margin is 37.6%. Company is maintaining the operating profit margin, but वही मैंने बोला, अभी margin थोड़ा सा इनका dent हुआ है this quarter. EPS is 11.8%. Means overall the company is fundamentally is looking very strong. Let's discuss now the technical and the buying level. So stock is बहुत दिनों से बहुत ही ऐसे ही एक कंसोलिडेशन जोन में और ऐसे ही ट्रेड करा, कंसोलिडेशन जोन में है. और अभी कुछ ही दिन पहले इसमें OFS भी आ गया था. सो उसकी वजह से भी एक यहाँ से गिर गिर के यहाँ पहुँच गया. सो स्टॉक इज ट्रेडिंग एट 645 के आसपास के लेवल पे है. तो 640 से 650 के बीच में ही, इतने ही में ही वो घूम रहा था. सो दिस एक्चुअली आफ्टर OFS स्टॉक गिरा है, तो अभी वो बहुत ही अच्छे बाइंग जोन पे है, बहुत ही अच्छे एक्यूमुलेशन जोन पे है. Not, this is not trading idea. I always discuss the investing idea in this, in my all video, that for trading idea, my trading view playlist, you can check, that is trading idea, but for short term. But this is always investing idea. So this, at this place, 600 600 के आसपास से 600 से लेके 650, जो कि अभी ये ट्रेड कर रहा है 640 पे, 645 पे, तो 650 से 600 से 650 के बीच में एक अच्छा बाइंग जोन है फॉर द लॉन्ग टर्म एंड एक स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस यहाँ पे फेस करेगा 680 के आसपास। 680 के आसपास इट विल फेस रेजिस्टेंस एंड when it will break it, when the stock will break it, this 680 level, it will go to first it will definitely go to 740 to 750 level. So this can be the buying zone for the IRCTC for the long term investment, 600 to 650 के बीच में, आगे जाके for the target of 740 to 750, 740, yes, for 740. So now for a more stock which is posting good Q3 result, you can keep watching this video or can take your decision. You can study the stock, you can study the fundamental nicely so that you can make your decision. So next week again I will come with the good Q3 stock, Q3 result stock. Till then, keep liking the video, keep sharing the video. Signing off.